Okay, just installed is a 5 kVA 48 volts solar and inverter system designed and set up to power a duplex uh, with two deep freezers, 15 light points, standing fans, TV sets, phone charging, PC, and lots more. This system is expected to run on renewable mode 247. I repeat again, it's expected to run 247. This system is mated with a 5,600 watts kilowatts design of a PV array, which implies that it's going to run 247. Uh, our backup time it's within 15 to 23 hours. But at this point, as I speak with you, it runs for about 24 hours non-stop. For your solar design, installation, and maintenance, talk to us on 09014789126. I repeat again, 09014789126.